So after about 30 years of investigating dietary supplements, I've noticed a lot of trends and dubious statements and even downright scams. And one trend that I've noticed over the last few years that doesn't appear to be losing steam is the idea that certain dietary supplements were featured on the Shark Tank TV show. Oftentimes these supplements tend to fall into the weight loss category, and I've noticed several keto supplements being touted as being on Shark Tank as well. So I've had the opportunity of looking into these supplements, and what I've found is oftentimes the website that features this claim was put up fairly recently. The person writing the article, who sometimes claims to be a reporter, doesn't leave a paper trail. In other words, I can't find really any other articles with that so-called reporter's name on it. And even the websites themselves, if you look closely at their URL, maybe they look very close to a news website, but they're not really the same thing. The URLs are slightly different. So if you're surfing the internet one day and you come across one of these supplements where it's claimed it was on Shark Tank, I suggest you hit the back button and do not go back to that website. Odds are it was never featured on Shark Tank. If you've come across any you think have been on Shark Tank, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll look into it for you.